Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are enjoying the readings and resonating with the readings. So today I feel I don't feel like suggesting any color. I just feel whatever color you feel like wearing today you can wear. But if you can do the Surya Mudra today for 10 minutes and chant on Om Namah Shivaya 108 times is what I feel guided to, because I feel health concerns are there for some of you who are seeing the readings. So do the Surya Mudra for 10 minutes, maybe 2 times a day today, and chant Om Namah Shivaya 108 times. That would suffice. And color, any color which you feel guided to, you can wear. So let's see what is in cards today. Rooted. Can you see? But I will still do a detailed reading. So the first card which has come is rooted, and the second card which has come is seduction. Sorry, I had a call, so I had to put a pause. Now, whenever this thing comes, the card rooted, it means that you need to stay strong and not give up on anything, because sometimes we feel that situations are very familiar, and we are underestimating the situations, or we are not able to understand the situations. But sometimes we should go by our intuition. So the card is saying whatever is happening around you, whichever is making you feel that things are not right, then go by your instincts. And if you go by your instincts, then the divine will give you the right answer, or just surrender it to them. If you surrender it to them, you will know. Because again, if you see seduction card, it actually indicates manipulation. Now this manipulation can be not from outside, but from my own mind also. I am getting manipulated by my own time, on my own way, and not from outside. So time to break all those temptations, time to break all those thought processes, and just be rooted enough to think about and make decisions clearly. So have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.